Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will see how to download the Flipkart sales and return report and also how to process and import it into Tally Prime using Excel for Tally. Log in to your Flipkart dashboard, navigate to Reports from the main menu and select Reports Center as shown in the image below. Select Type of Report, then Tax Reports and click on Sales Report. Now you can generate your Flipkart monthly sales report by selecting the desired month and click on the Generate. Under the action, within a few seconds, you will see the status as download. Just download the report, which will be in Excel format. Now you can import the downloaded Flipkart sales and return data into your Tally Prime using our Excel for Tally software. You can register try free or sign up if you are a new user to our website. If already registered or signed up, then sign in with your registered email ID and password. Another option, sign in with a Google. Search the Flipkart sales and return templates and click on Try Free. Click on Download Sample to download the Flipkart sales and return sample Excel file. The downloaded sample file has same format as file downloaded from Flipkart portal. Insert and add UOM, unit of measure, column in your Flipkart data file and fill data as per your tally. Refer our sample file for reference. select template. Select company. If not created earlier, please create new company. Choose Flipkart Sales and return Excel file. Here, we are using our sample file in this video, but you can choose your Flipkart Sales and return file with added UOM column. Select Please check to auto-generate master if you want to auto-create your masters into Tally. Now click on Process Excel Records. It will automatically download XML output file. Now copy the entire location path of the generated XML file. Open your Tally Prime. You can see, before we have no voucher entries in Tally Prime for Flipkart sales and returns. Click on Import and select Transactions. Paste entire XML file location path. To paste, use Ctrl+Alt+V. Press Enter. You can see that the data has been successfully imported in Tally. Open tally.imp file for complete data import log. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.